So welcome back to Always Off-Road. Today, I'm still in the ever quest to lighten my C5 to get myself into Cam S class for autocross. Rules say you can go down to 2,900 pounds, and I've heard it's easy to get to around 3,000. Well, easy-ish. So part of that endeavor is getting rid of all of the weight that's involved with the pop-up headlight mechanism. So Electron Sport USA, they have a headlight pop-up delete kit. They claim that you can remove 18 pounds from the front of your car. I've got a scale. We're going to figure this out, and we'll see just how well it works. That showed up this morning, so we're going to put it in place. I've got the old brackets here, left and right sides, so we'll see just how much weight we're going to save from switching. So let's get this thing unboxed. The box is a little messed up from shipment, so we'll see if it, see if they got damaged in here. These things were shipped super fast. They're $225, so I thought about making it myself, but my time's valuable to me and I'm pretty busy. Man, that looks really nice. Cool. Let's see how much it weighs. Well, first I gotta turn on the scale. Set it to 0. That weighs 2.75 pounds. Cool. So that's 2.75 pounds. I don't know which side this one is, but I'm assuming there's 2 of them in here. Let's see what this weighs compared to one of the stock ones. So this is the passenger side. I got all the bolts in here that came off of it with a little blue tape, so I guess you can add a couple, I don't know, bits of weight to see. But let's see how much that weighs by itself. 5.39 pounds. Okay. You know, I'm already forgetting these numbers. I'm gonna start writing this down. All right, it took a little longer than I thought because I wanted to be really accurate. And at first I had all the original bolts and the original parts, so I spread them out and reweighed everything with whatever bolts needed to go in each part. I changed it a little bit. One thing you couldn't see, the shell has all the bolts in here for it as well. All the bolts are in the headlights. That way all my weights are accurate because they claimed that you can save 18 pounds out of the front of your car by switching to this bracket. It says, yep, removes 18 pounds off the front of the car. Well, everything I was taking out of everything that's not going back in the car is 16.5 pounds. The brackets, the motor, the headlights, and the bolts that I don't need to put in the new stuff is all 16.5 pounds. Weighing the 2 new brackets with the bolts and the 2 covers that go on top of them, that's 8.8 pounds. So we're saving 7.7 pounds. I don't know where they're getting 18 pounds from that you're saving. So I don't know. That's a lie, I guess. I don't think I missed anything. That's literally everything out of there is right here. So I guess it's time to install them. Should be pretty simple to install. These things were kind of a pain to get out, but I'm hoping they're pretty easy to get in. So let's get started on getting these things installed. So I missed it when I was doing the unboxing, but it does come with a pack of hardware. So it looks like they're switching out the screws that came with the headlights, the headlight covers. Those have Torx bits heads, and these are not. Since I'm taking this right off the car, it still has all the clips in there, and they're in pretty good shape, but it does come with new ones, which is awesome. So that's cool. You're going to need a 7mm, 10mm, and 13mm to do this. I'm going to link everything in the description. Now, it may seem a little daunting, how does this go in here? If you just look at it as the back of the headlights when you're taking them out for the back portion, my bad, the back portion has 2, this is the wrong side. has two bolts in the very back that goes to back. So knowing that, you can look at the new bracket and see that there's only one spot where there's 2 bolts, and that's what goes in here. Just goes in there. The 2, 3 10 millimeters go here, and then there are the 2 13 mil bolts going over here. Now to get this in, I think the easiest way to do it is put this onto the bracket first, and then you should be able to get your hand through here, I think. Let's find out. So that's not bad. Got a little adjustment to do, but it's not perfect. But you know, it's a race car. Don't really care. Holds them in place. This one's definitely got a gap. Gonna have to adjust that a little bit. It's a little bit high here. I think that's what's making that gap look so big. But they're pretty secure in the back. The front, obviously, they're wiggly because, well, they only mount in 2 places, and it's just how it is. I made it a lot easier because I deleted these to save weight. Might have to do something else to plug the hole, or might redirect that air somewhere. And I also forgot to weigh these little, whatever these plastic things are, but they are very, very light in plastic. So I'll add those on the weight. I'll have it down below. So that's the end. This has been how you install the Electron Sport headlight delete brackets on a C5. They say you're going to save yourself 18 pounds. I only saved 7.7 pounds. So I don't know exactly how they say 18. I think what they did is just calculated everything that's on the front of the car, because it's almost all together with all original parts and everything, just under 18 pounds. But these lids got to go back on, and then the weight of the brackets, obviously. So for $225, are they worth it? I don't know. It depends on your time. You could probably make them, but you know, they ship fast, and they look really good, and they're fairly light, and they seem to do a really good job. So, and they come with all the parts. They did not come with instructions, but they came with everything else. I'm going to list all the weights down below, so you can check those out. If you're interested in seeing what else, everything else in the C5 weighs, and how you can save weight in your car, you know, and pick and choose what you want to take out. I'm going to be weighing all the stuff that's back there off camera that I've stripped off the car to see what it all weighs, and get a final tally before the next season starts. I've got new rims to put on the car. There's going to be a video about that. They sent the wrong ones, so it's going to be going to get replacements apparently, see how those go. And then I also got new tires in the way. And I'm also finalizing a new race seat for the driver's side. I'm probably not going to put anything in the passenger side, at least for now, because FIA certified seats are expensive, and I don't really want to spend $900 on a seat that's really not going to get used all that often, as well as adding the extra weight. So I'm going to get back to work and get this thing edited maybe at some point. So subscribe if you want to see all the other weight stuff. Other than that, see you.